Introducing the new benchmark in UUHP, the Bridgestone Potenza Sport EVO. Built on the already impressive legacy of the Potenza Sport, the EVO brings clear upgrades in wet control, stopping power, durability and efficiency thanks to its new upgrades. In this comparison, we'll walk through where the EVO improves over the original Potenza Sport. Throughout this comparison, the performance metrics are expressed in percentages, with the predecessor Bridgestone Potenza Sport set as the reference point at 100%. These results are sourced from the official Bridgestone Potenza Sport EVO press release. In wet braking, the Potenza Sport EVO stops about 5% shorter than the Potenza Sport, roughly a couple of meters safe from highway speed. The EVO gives noticeably stronger bite and more confidence in heavy rain. In dry braking, the EVO improves by around 2%, translating to roughly 1 meter shorter from highway speed. Small gain, but a gain that you can feel, especially during hard emergency stops. When it comes to mileage, the EVO lasts about 15% longer, which is roughly 6,000 extra kilometers in rear-wheel driving. This makes it more durable and cost-efficient option between the two. Rolling resistance improves by 6%, giving the EVO a small but measurable advantage in fuel or energy consumption. From a tyre engineer perspective, the Bridgestone Potenza Sport EVO shifts the user tyre trade-off triangle. Wet braking, mileage, and rolling resistance all in the right direction. It's rare to see meaningful improvement in all three at once, yet the EVO managed it with confidence. On paper, it's a strong evolution of the Potenza Sport, and I'm genuinely looking forward to see how well it performs in independent rear-wheel testing begins.
Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.